In 1846, 87 pioneers set out for California. They never made it. Trapped by snow in the Sierra Nevada mountains, the Donner Party faced a choice no human should make. First, they ate their leather shoes, then tree bark, then the family pets. When those ran out, they turned to the dead. Parents cooked their own children. Families hunted the weak like animals. Civilization collapsed in just weeks. Only 46 survived to tell the horrifying truth about what humans become when starvation takes control.